Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the advanced blocks to create two columns in your Notion. So first thing we're going to do is open up our Notion, make sure that we can see our prompt where it says write something or press space for AI / for commands. Once we do the / on our keyboard, we're going to start typing advanced blocks. This will bring up the entire list of things under advanced blocks. You're going to go to two columns or column two, and this is where you're going to be able to click on this and you're going to create the two columns. Once you do that, you can't really see that there's two columns unless your mouse is hovering over and you see this little plus sign with the six little dots. But from here, this is where you're going to enter in the titles of your two columns. And then once you push enter, you'll be able to enter in things under that particular column. And that is how you use the advanced block two column feature in Notion. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find this to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.